Hey guys, it's finally time for, I believe, System Test 5. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have the System Sensor i3 as usual. And going down to the panel, scan the keys, really no changes. Well, the wires, the white ones that are in the neck one also, they were in neck 2 to go downstairs, but now I have a horn strobe down there, so I had to move to neck 1. And by the way, the resistance is not in there because it's in the alarm downstairs, the whatever, terminals. Okay, so same Simplex key switch here. Now here I have a small surprise. You ready? Yeah, I got an STI stopper too. So yeah, and this is the stopper with no horn underneath. And yeah, it's mounted very bad. As you can see, it did not come with the spacer. I really need the spacer. All I did was I just kind of screwed the holes into the board. I know I do need the spacer. I'm gonna get it soon. I'm gonna try to find one. And this was used. It didn't come in the perfect condition, but hey, it works for now. So, and under it, sorry, it doesn't want to stay. Okay, and under it we have the Edwards 270 SPO. And yeah, so there you go. For the first neck, we have the Wheelock MT, or rebranded by Cerberus Powertronics. I'm just gonna call it the Wheelock MT. It's fixed 1575 candela, and it's on continuous. So yeah, continuous one. In the hallway, we still have the Notifier BNG1 because this back box that I have right here is very small, and a lot of stuff is kind of like a big back and doesn't really fit. So I just keep this on until I get a bigger back box. And going up, we have the 4903 9219. Yeah, you're probably thinking this doesn't sound very good with the panel. And you're right about that. It doesn't sound very good, but it sounds okay. It's just really like scratchy. But I mean, it's okay, and it's wired to audible silence too. And so yeah. And over here, same System Sensor 2400. Nothing has changed with that. Going downstairs, like I said, I have a horn strobe. Oh, sorry, I hit something. Let's go down. Actually, I'll turn the light off until I get down there. Let me shut the door. So down here I have the Wheelock 7002T. Yes, I finally got the 7002T. I'm really happy. Sorry about the noise. I finally got one, and it's in perfect condition. Like, it came used, but look. It's like perfect, and has the newer Wheelock sticker, and it's like no scratches, like almost new. And you're probably thinking, what does this sound like on FWR? Well, surprisingly, it sounds really good. It's not perfect, but it sounds pretty good. And yeah, I think the strobe's like 0.5 candela, something like that. It's pretty dim. Yep, that's that. Walking back upstairs. Oh, by the way, that's the basement if you didn't already know. My house really only has like one floor. And then the basement. So yeah. So let's go back in here, and I don't think there's anything to really do, so let's just activate it. Let's do the BNG1 first, and then we'll do the stopper. Alright, actually no, I'm gonna do the stopper now. Alright, Alright, you ready? Here we go. Continue it. Whew. Oh my gosh. That was so loud. Whew. Oh my god, I'm panting because I had to like run through the whole house. And there's no audible sounds here because I'm just too lazy to run another wire through there. I know, well. Audible silence. And no audible silence downstairs. And that's really loud. And you can hear that didn't sound very good. So yeah, zone 2, and we'll reset that later. I really don't like the sound of that one in the hallway on FWR, but whatever. I'm not gonna turn the power off. Let's realarm with the i3. I'm gonna unlock the panel because the system is so loud. I forgot in the beginning. I did forget to mention. I'll just open it. That the system was set to continuous. Now let's grab my little screw. And 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, it sounds too fast. It's just so loud. Now, I'll just reset it, and then I'll reset the panel. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I don't know if I can. And this is very stripped. Put the screen back down. Dang it. Okay, there we go. Let's reset the system. And like I said, I'll leave the panel unlocked. Let's go ahead and pull the BNG1. Okay. Yeah. Hold on a second. Okay, guys, I just wanted to make sure all the windows were shut because it's like so loud. There's not really very much to do. I'll just reset this. And I'm sorry, I'm not like it's so loud. I'm just trying not to, let it go off for too long. And I think I'll shut the doors because almost silence. That one is really loud. Let's put these back. And no power test will come up soon. Reset. Oh, actually, that's not reset yet. I'll do the key switch. And this will be the last time I set it off. I'm not going to do the smoke detector in the hallway. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll turn it back, look at that, look at the one in the hallway, look at the one in the basement, and come back in silence. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, you know what? If there was really a fire, this would just make you so much more scared. Like, it would just give so much fear. Okay, ready? Set. I don't know why I said okay, ready. You know what, just for the heck of it. Alright, well that's it, but just for the heck of it, let's just do a key activation. Yes, I'm panting. Here we go. Oh. Okay, that's it. So I can take my ear protection off. Put it right there. All right. Trying to find my firelight key. Oh, dang. There it is. So, thank you guys for watching. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See ya.